Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are continuing our topic, that is indices. We have question number 4 that appeared in 2017. The question paper was 1 and the variant was 1. We have to simplify x square whole raised to power 5. And you can just compare this question to the third rule of indices, that is a raised to power m whole raised to power n. If we have power of power, we multiply the powers. Okay, so the question x square whole raised to power 5 can be simplified as x square into 5 to 5 times 10. This is the answer. Next question is 8 that appeared in again 2017. Question paper was 1 and the variant was 3. Find the value of 17 cube. Okay, how can you do that? We just need to write 3 times 17 like this, and we need to solve it. Okay, just write 17 or 17. First we are going to multiply 17 by 17. 7 times 49, that is 9, 4 carry, 7 1 and 4, that is 11, again 7 and 1, we have 9, 7 1 8, and 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Again we have to multiply by 17 again, so it would be 63, 6 carry, 56 and 6 62, that is 2, and again 6 carry, 7 2 times 14 and 6, that is 20. 1 9 time, 1 8 time, 1 2 time, 2. So our answer to this one is 1 carry, 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. So this is our answer, 4913. If you are appearing in 2025 examination, then this question you are not allowed to use your calculator, so you have to do it manually like this one. Part B says cube root of 729. For this question you have to make prime factorization. 729, 3 2 times, 1 carry 12, 3 4 times 12, and 3 3 times 9, 3 8 times, 3 1 time, 3 2 time, 3 7 time 21. Again continue this, 3 3 times and 3 1 time. How many 3 we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I can write 3 raised to power 6 and whole power 1 over 3. So we have power of power, we multiply 3 raised to power 6 into 1 over 3. We can cancel them, 3 1 time, 3 2 times. So 3 square, that is equal to 9. The answer to this question is 9, and this one is 4913. Okay, moving toward our next question. The same question paper, in question 16, part A, 5 raised to power x divided by 25 is equal to 5 raised to power 6, and we have to calculate the value of x. So I can write 5 raised to power x. Here is the division sign. Okay, we can convert it like this, and 25, sorry, and this one is equal to 5 raised to power 6. Now 5 raised to power x remains the same. 25 can be written as 5 square is equal 5 raised to power 6. We have the division thing. When we have the division and the same base, we just write 1 time base and subtract the powers. 5 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 5 raised to power 6. After that, same basis, we can equate the powers. X minus 2 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 plus 2. That would be equal to 8. The answer to this question is 8. Again the same paper, the question paper 1, variant was 3. Question 21, simplify 6 into w raised to power 0. So I can write w raised to power 0 is equal to 1, because anything that has power 0, any number that has power 0 can be written as 1. And I told you in the previous video, that is equal to 6. Now the part B is 5x cube minus 3x cube. So they are like terms, we can just subtract them or add them. So here we have positive 5 and negative 3. 5 minus 3, that makes 2, and x cube remains the same. Answer to this one is 2x cube. Here we are multiplying, and you know how to multiply. sign multiplied by sign. The sign to this term is positive and also this term is positive. Then coefficient into coefficient, and then variable into variable. And on variables, we apply the indices rule. Okay, plus into plus, that makes plus. 3 into 5, 15. And y raised to power 6 into y raised to power minus 2. I'm going to write 1 time y and add the powers 6 minus 2 like this one. So we have 15 y raised to power 4. The answer is 15 y raised to power 4. Next question is question 6 that appeared in 2017. The paper was 2 and the variant was 1. We have a part 2 raised to power r is equal to 1 over 16. We need to find the value of r. So this is again a simple question. You just convert 16 into power of 2. To make prime factorization of 16, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, and 2 1 time. So how many 2's we have? 1 2 3 4. So I can write 1 over 2 raised to power 4. Now bring it up. It would be 2 raised to power r is equal to 2 raised to power minus 4. When we change the places, the sign of the indices changes. Okay, so we have 2 raised to power r is equal to 2 raised to power minus 4. Bases are equal. Their powers are also equal. So the value of r is minus 4. B part is 3 raised to power t is equal to 5th root of 3. Again, a simple question. 3 raised to power t remains the same. And first convert this into power form. When we remove the 5th root, it can be written as 1 over 5. So the value of t is equal to 1 over 5 because we have same basis. The next question is question 14 that appeared in again 2017. The question paper was 2 and the variant was again 2. Work out 125 raised to power 2 over 3. So what we have to do? We have to make prime factorization here. 5 2 times, 5 5 times, 5 5 times 25, and 5 1 time 5. I can write 125 as 5 raised to power 3 whole power 2 over 3. So power of power, we multiply the powers and we can see we have 3 in the numerator and denominator. We can cancel them. We are left with 5 raised to power 2, and again 5 raised to power 2 can be written as 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. The B part is 1 over 3 whole power minus 2. If we have the negative power like this and we have the fraction term in the bracket, if we change the fraction, that is numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, that is these numbers, if we change them like this one, 3 over 1, the sign of the power, that is the index, changes. Here we have negative 2, it would be plus 2. Okay, so we can take power of every term inside the bracket. 3 square over 1 square. 3 square is equal to 9 and 1 square is equal to 1. The answer to this question is 9. So the answer is 9 and here 25. Moving toward our next question, question 8 that appeared in again 2017. The question paper was 2 and the variant was 3. The question is 8 over a raised to power 12 whole power 1 over 3. We need to simplify it. So I'm taking the power of every term inside the bracket. 8 raised to power 1 over 3 over a raised to power 12 whole power 1 over 3. 8 can be written as, when we do prime factorization, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, 2 1 times. So instead of 8, I can write 2 cube whole power 1 over 3. However, in this case, a raised to power 12 whole power 1 over 3, power of power, we multiply. 12 into 1 over 3. We can cancel them. 3 4 times 12. Also this one. In the numerator we have 2 and in the denominator we are left with a raised to power 4. So we have just simplified the given question, 2 over a raised to power 4. Next question is question 18 that appeared in 2018. Question paper was 1 and the variant was 1. Power of power, just multiply. 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. Answer is x raised to power 12. For this question, convert 16 into power of 4 because before equal we have 4 raised to power w. let's say if we have 2 raised to power w, then we have to convert 16 into power of 2. Okay, this is the point. Or you can use another method as well. Convert this 4 into 2 square and 16 into 2 raised to power 4. The answer would be equal. So 4 raised to power w is equal to 1 over 4 square. So 4 raised to power w, because 4 square can be written as 4 into 4, and 4 into 4, that makes 16. Bring it up, the sign will change, that is the power sign. So bases are equal. I can write w is equal to minus 2. This is the answer. And what is the second method? You have to convert 4 into 2 raised to power 2. W remains the same. And 16, make prime factorization of 16 like this one, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, and 2 1 time. 1 2 3 4. I can write 2 raised to power 4. Power of power, just multiply 2w. Bring it up, the sign will change. It would be minus 4. Now we can equate them. 2w is equal to minus 4. After that, w is equal to minus 4 over 2. We can cancel them. 2 1 time and 2 how many times? 2 times. So we got the same answer. So it's up to you which method you choose. Moving towards our next question. Question 4. That appeared in 2018. Question paper was 1 and the variant was 2. Find the value of p when 5 raised to power p divided by 5 raised to power 8 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. We have division and same basis. We just write one time base and subtract the powers. P minus 8, that would be equal to 5 raised to power 13. So bases are equal, the powers are also equal. P minus 8 is equal to 13, and find out the value of p. P is equal to 13 plus 8. The value of p is 21. P is equal to 21. Question 5 that appeared in 2018. Question paper was 1 and the variant was 3. Work out the value of 4 raised to power minus 2. We need to make power positive, and how can we do that? What is the denominator of 4 raised to power minus 2? If we do not see anything, it means it's 1. So just flip it. So bring it down. It would be 1 over 4 raised to power positive 2. And after that, 4 square can be written as 4 into 4 and 1 over 16. Answer to this question is 1 over 16. Moving towards our next question, question 11. Question 11 says, question 11 appeared in 2018, question paper was 2 and the variant was 1. Question 11 says, find the exact value of 8 raised to power 2 over 3 into 49 raised to power minus 1 over 2. So how can we solve this problem? First, convert 8 into powers of 2. 2 how many times? 8 4 times, 2 2 times, and 2 1 time. I can write 2 raised to power 3 whole power 2 over 3. Multiply 49 can be written as 7 7 times, 7 1 time. 7 square whole power minus 1 over 2. Now we can cancel them. 3 by 3, 2 square. Multiply here, we can also cancel this 2. We have 7 raised to power minus 1. We need to make the power positive. 2 square is equal to 4, and so bring it down, the power will be positive. So 4 over 7 is the value of this one. So the answer is 4 over 7. The same paper, that is paper 2 and the variant was 1. Question 9 says 3 raised to power minus q into 1 over 27 is equal to 81, and find the value of q. So how can we solve this problem? Just write 3 raised to power minus q and convert 27 into 3 raised to power by prime factorization. 3 9 times, 3 3 time, and 3 1 time. How many 3's we have? 3. So I can write 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 81. 3 raised to power minus q into 1, that would be 3 raised to power minus q over 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 81. Also convert this 81 into power of 3. 3 2 times, 3 7 times, 3 9 times, 3 3 time, and 3 1 time. We have the division thing, and the bases are equal. We just write one time base and subtract the power. Of course, the power of numerator should be written first, minus q, and then negative sign, then the denominator's power, that is 3, is equal to 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. After that, just equate the powers. Minus q minus 3 is equal to 4. We need to find the value of q, so just move it. and I can write minus 3 minus 4 is equal to q, minus 7 is equal to q, or q is equal to minus 7. So this is the answer to this question. Question 17 that appeared in 2018, question paper was 2 and the variant was 3, says find the value of 1 over 81 whole raised to power minus 3 over 4. So I can write separately 1 raised to power minus 3 over 4 and 81 raised to power minus 3 over 4. And we know the value, that is the power, if one has any power, the value of this is 1. Okay, and 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 whole power minus 3 over 4. We can just cancel them, that is the 4. 1 over 3 raised to power minus 3, bring it up, it would be 3 raised to power 3, and I can write 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times 3, 3 times 9, and 9 3 times 27. Answer to this question is 27. Keep it in mind, if 1 has any power, then the answer is 1, whatever the power is. B part is simplify cube root of 27 t raised to power 27. Again, the prime factors of 27, 3 9 times, 3 times, and 3 1 time. So I can write 27 as 3 raised to power 3, this one, okay, and t raised to power 27 remains the same, whole power 1 over 3. After that, take the power of every term inside the bracket, 3 raised to power 3 whole power 1 over 3 and t raised to power 27 whole power 1 over 3. We can cancel them, the rest is 3, and 3 how many times 27? Of course 3 9 times, so t raised to power 9. The answer is 3 t raised to power 9. So moving towards our next question, question 4 that appeared in again 2018, question paper was 3 and the variant was 3. Find the value of k when x raised to power 10 divided by x raised to power k is equal to x raised to power 3. So we have division and the same basis, we just write one time base and separate the powers. 10 minus k is equal to x cube. Bases are equal, we can equate the powers. 10 minus k is equal to 3, minus k is equal to 3 minus 10, minus k is equal to minus 7. We can cancel the negative sign, so k is equal to 7. The part 2 is find the value of n when y raised to power 10 into y raised to power n equal to 1. Apply the index rule, 1 times y and add the powers because of multiplication, 10 plus n. For 1, I can write y raised to power 0 because before equal we have y raised to power something. So we have to convert 1 into y power 0, not any other variable, or x power 0, t power 0. And we already know if we have y raised to power 0, we can convert it into 1, or the value of this is 1. Now equating the powers, 10 plus 9 equal to 0. Sorry, 10 plus n equal to 0. N is equal to 0 minus 10 is equal to minus 10. The answer is minus 10. The last question of this video is question 4, appeared in 2018. Question paper was 4 and the variant was 2. We need to simplify these parts. 3p square whole power 5. Remember, we have power of power and the bracket, so we have to take the power of every term inside the bracket. 3 raised to power 5, and the next step, p square whole power 5. 3 raised to power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times 9, and 9 3 times 27, 27 3 times 81, and 81 3 times, okay, just do it, 3 1 time, 3, and 243. So we have 243, and power of power, we multiply p raised to power 2 into 5, that is 10. Answer to this one is 243 p raised to power 10. 18x square y raised to power 6 divided by 2xy square. First of all, write it down like this: 18x square y raised to power 6 divided by 2xy square. We can cancel to 1 time, to 9 times. After that, we can see the bases are same, and here also the bases are equal. We have to apply the base rules. 9x square minus 1, the power of this x is 1, and y raised to power 6 minus 2. So we have 9x, 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 9x y raised to power 4 is the answer to this question. Part 3, 5 over m whole power minus 2. So we have to make sure our power is positive, and I told you how to do that. Just flip it, numerator becomes denominator and vice versa. M over 5 whole power 2. So we are taking the power of every term inside the bracket, m square and 5 square. We can further simplify. M square over 5 square means 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. The answer to this one is m square over 25. Okay, that's for the day. Please subscribe my channel and share it to others. Like and comment the videos. Allah Hafiz.